Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to compare ComfyUI and Weavy. ComfyUI is a free open-source node-based AI tool mainly used for stable diffusion workflows. It gives you full control over every step of image or video generation. You can connect nodes, customize models, use community plugins, and build complex pipelines exactly how you want. The biggest advantage is complete flexibility and zero generation cost if you run it locally. However, it has a steep learning curve, requires setup, and needs a good GPU to run properly. Weavy, on the other hand, is a browser-based AI workflow platform designed to make things easier and more professional. It also uses a node system, but with a cleaner interface and built-in tools for editing, collaboration, and multi-model generation. You can connect different AI models like image, video, and design tools in one place without worrying about setup. It is more beginner-friendly and team-focused, but it usually runs on a credit or paid system instead of being fully free. In real use, the difference is clear. ComfyUI is like a power tool for advanced users who want full control and don't mind complexity. Weavy is more like a ready-made platform where everything works smoothly with less effort but less deep control. Overall, if you want maximum control, customization, and free usage, go with ComfyUI. If you want ease of use, faster workflow, and professional features, Weavy is the better choice. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.